Hey guys, welcome back to Smoky Mountain Taco. This is Unicoi, Tennessee, my old hometown. I used to live right down the road here. Had friends, family, even went to church just over that ridge. Today I'm back, not just to reconnect, but to take on one of the most rugged trails in the Cherokee National Forest. But the adventure didn't exactly go as planned. There was a lost drone, deep creek crossings, and a flooded town that hit way too close to home. This trail begins in Unicoi, Tennessee, and ends in Erwin, Tennessee. In late 2024, Hurricane Helene rode through here. Erwin got hit hard. The hospital, underwater. Roads destroyed, lives uprooted. I've got people here. The trail was supposed to end here, but even now, months later, Erwin's still recovering. Alright, we're kicking off at the mouth of Dix Creek. Didn't have time to run the full trail to Erwin, but I wanted to at least get a taste. A recon run. First step, airing down all 4 tires at 25 psi. Thor's hammer makes this easy. Just clip and go. Plug in one end of the hose into Thor's hammer, and then plug it in on your tires. And then let her rip. Okay. We're going to air down to 25 pounds. Close enough. Next, I launched the drone to get some early shots of the trail. And that's when things went south. Yep, it's stuck somewhere up there in that mess. Luckily, my future son-in-law's got some climbing gear. He said he'd go up and get it. Me, I'm ordering a better drone. Now this is where Dix Creek gets serious. It's not just scenic, it's deep, fast, and a full body test for any off-road build. No pavement, no shoulder. You either make it across or you're turning around wet. We're going to switch this to 4 high. Now we're going to put it in neutral. Go to 4 low. We're going to disconnect the sway bar. And we're going to go ahead and put on our walking rear differential because we're about to cross a creek right up front. There we go. If you're into Tacomas, this channel is for you. We cover it all: mod installs, real-world testing, electrical walkthroughs, dealership pricing, even recall updates. All Tacoma, all the time. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a thing. Once we crossed, I threw on the trail armor. These trees are no joke, tight and sharp. Perfect for giving your paint a forest tattoo. This setup's simple. DIY magnetic trail armor. Sticks tight and pulls off clean. And trust me, it works. Wow, look at that rock we just climbed over. I'm glad I've got that hitch armor. It doubles as hitch armor and gives you a bed step as well. Not to mention those family members who might want to back into something. Barely squeezing through. This is where things go from trail to obstacle course. The farther we went, the deeper it got. Ruts, rocks, standing water, trees, branches. This forest does not let up. Without the drone, I leaned on GoPros and bumper cams, and they didn't disappoint. This is where I had to call it. I knew I wasn't making Erling today. Time was short and the drone set me back. But hey, this trail will be here and I'll be back to finish it sometime. And across back over Dix Creek after turning around. Now that's what I'm talking about. Did you hear that snorkel? Now we're going to air back up to 35 pounds. Going to use Thor's hammer to do all 4 tires at once. We're going to use the Trailhunter Air Compressor to air back up. If you've never seen this done, I love this feature on the Trailhunter. Now, I will have to say Thor's locking air compressor is a lot faster than Trailhunter air compressor. Just saying. That took a while. No sign of the drone. She's still up there somewhere, but don't worry, the new one's already ordered. Sometimes a trip doesn't go how you plan, but when the mud's flying, your rig's pushing forward, it really doesn't matter. If you ever lost gear on the trail or had a trip go off script, drop your story in the comments. Misadventures are half the fun. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stick around. The next adventure, bigger, deeper, and definitely higher off the ground. Catch you in the next one. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe, share, like, and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time.